Welcome to my YouTube channel Hindustan Times. Today we dive deep into the incredible power and technological marvel of the artificial S-350 2025, also known as the 9M96 missile. This is not just any missile, it represents a complete evolution in air defense, designed to dominate modern aerial threats with unmatched precision, speed, and destructive capability. The 9M96 is engineered to counter a wide spectrum of threats, including enemy aircraft, advanced drones, cruise missiles, and even ballistic projectiles. Its design reflects the future of air defense, combining mobility, rapid deployment, and advanced targeting to ensure complete superiority in any combat scenario. The artificial S-350 2025 is distinguished by its extreme speed and accuracy. With a top speed exceeding Mach 4, it reaches its target in seconds, leaving almost no room for countermeasures. Its onboard guidance and sensor systems are designed to detect and neutralize decoys, countermeasures, and evasive maneuvers, ensuring that the missile strikes the target with pinpoint precision. This makes the S-350 9M96 an essential asset in modern warfare, where speed and accuracy define dominance. One of the most remarkable aspects of this missile is its multi-target capability. Unlike traditional systems, the S-350 9M96 can engage multiple targets simultaneously. Its advanced radar and tracking systems monitor enemy movements in real time, dynamically adjusting its trajectory to strike moving or coordinated threats effectively. This ability gives military operators a decisive advantage, turning complex aerial battles in favor of the defending forces. The missile's adaptive guidance system calculates trajectories with extreme precision, optimizing every launch for maximum destruction and minimal reaction time. The engineering behind the S-350 2025 is equally impressive. Lightweight aerodynamics, high-powered rocket motors, and integrated computer systems make this missile both fast and highly maneuverable. Its explosive warhead is designed to maximize impact upon reaching the target, ensuring that even the most advanced enemy defenses are rendered ineffective. The onboard computer and navigation systems continuously analyze environmental data, wind conditions, and enemy movements to adjust in real time, keeping the missile on the most effective path at all times. Defense analysts consider the S-350 2025 not only a solution for current aerial threats but a forward-looking system capable of adapting to future challenges. Its modern navigation and control mechanisms ensure that even in highly contested or electronically jammed environments, the missile maintains effectiveness. This makes the 9M96 a crucial component of integrated air defense networks, capable of neutralizing enemy air operations before they reach critical targets. Mobility and rapid deployment are other key strengths of the S-350 9M96. Unlike stationary systems, this missile is designed to be quickly deployed to any battlefield. Its mobile platform allows for fast repositioning, giving military commanders the ability to respond immediately to emerging threats. In modern warfare, where every second counts, this rapid deployment capacity makes the S-350 2025 a game-changer, providing unmatched operational flexibility. In addition to its technical prowess, the S-350 2025 demonstrates efficiency and environmental awareness in its design. It operates with minimal noise, reduced energy consumption, and maximum operational efficiency. The materials used in its construction reduce weight while increasing durability and performance. This combination of speed, power, and efficiency makes it a highly reliable weapon for continuous air defense operations. The S-350 2025 also sets a benchmark for future missile technologies. It represents a perfect fusion of speed, precision, and multi-target capabilities, creating a new standard for air defense systems globally. Its ability to counter a wide range of threats with lethal efficiency positions it as a decisive factor in any modern conflict. The missile embodies the concept of preemptive dominance, striking first and neutralizing threats before they can respond. Artificial S-350 2025 is more than a weapon, it is a statement of technological superiority. It demonstrates how modern air defense can achieve rapid response, absolute accuracy, and maximum lethality in one compact and highly mobile platform. The 9M96 transforms the battlefield by rendering enemy attacks ineffective, and its advanced guidance, speed, and explosive capability ensure that no threat can evade its precision strike. Ultimately, the S-350 2025 9M96 is a revolution in missile technology. It combines unmatched speed, advanced targeting, multi-target engagement, and mobility into a single platform that redefines what modern air defense can achieve. This missile is not only a tool for protecting airspace but a cornerstone of global defense strategy, establishing new standards in precision, power, and operational readiness. Its existence shifts the balance of air dominance, making it a true guardian against modern aerial threats. The artificial S-350 2025 is a testament to cutting-edge military engineering, proving that modern air defense can be both extremely fast and incredibly precise. With every launch, it demonstrates its ability to dominate the skies, neutralize threats, and maintain total control over critical airspace. The S-350-9M96 is a weapon of the future, representing ultimate strength, speed, and destructive potential, making it a formidable asset in the arsenal of any advanced defense force.